other different tool dito to record about identifying purpose and takes and interaction. So when we say identifying purpose and takes and interaction, so every communication act has a primary purpose that guides its intents and delivery. So, ako every communication nga mag-act nila is maunay ka-guide sa usa ka kanang communicate kung kuan ilang content then sa ilang matag-deliver o na siya. And ang nana siya iwan ka buong nga ga-identify sa purpose, intents, and interaction. So, first is to inform and then to persuade. To inform, sharing facts, data, or updates. For example, a news article, company mo, classroom picture. So, may example na nindirinig kuan kaning news article. Kaya usan ni siya kada share o kanang tinuod. Kaya if you say to inform, dapat kuan share ka og tinuod nga mga information. And then, mao siya ang example diyan news article kay news man siya, dapat man siya kanang tinuod para ang salit sa imo ha is kanang dili ma-kuan then. Next example is company mo. Manang example man gud siya sa company mo kay para imo ang kuan, imong company is ma-improve, dili mo magka-uba-uba, dili mo ma-bankrupt sa inyong mga business or sa dapat ma-update ka or sa nangahitabo sa inyong company. And the next is classroom lectures. Now, pinay mga lecture yan ng mga maestra. So, dapat kung sa lecture sa maestra is kanang tinuod siya nga iyang i-share para ang mga estudyante mao po tayo masundon sa iyaha. So, next is to persuade. Convincing others to take action or adopt a viewpoint. So, ang viewpoint ang persuade is kaning murag mag-convince ka sa uban ba kanang madali kani sa imo ka kanang murag for example, is a sales page, political page, or argumentative stage. So, ang mga example dito is kuan ba, magsulti ka sa, para makadali sa mga tao, gani mga namang politika ka, musaad ka sa mga tao, para mga ngaton, para madali sila sa imuha. So, mga na ipasabot sa to persuade. And next is, ako natag ni Sir Villaro, next discussion.
And now let's talk about to entertain. So when we say entertain, this is a word for people na para tuwa silang inganyo or tuwa silang entertain para sa tuwang mga speech. For example, na maghimo tag mga butang para sila mainganyo nato na mamino sila. Like for example na atuang speech is like makagiyag nila na saon silang pag na lagi sila makuha ng topic. So to entertain, engaging or amusing the audience, like novel, comedy show, social media, or meme. So in the comedy, we all know that comedy is just full of jokes, right?
Yes.
And then in the novel, this novel. When we say novel, it's like a fantasy. For example, some women or ladies that loves novel, like romantic novels or any types of novels. And then social media memes. These social media memes, we have this in Facebook, like some funny posts, like that. And now to express, convey personal feelings, ideas, or identities. Aged, diary entry, poem, personal conversation. So when we say conveying, atuwa silang i-convey para sa atuang personal feelings, like kung saan ako ang for example let's have topic about community change or environmental changes. So my feelings about it is pure sadness because we see about our ozone layer become thickness, and then I want to persuade it or I want to convey them that we should have plant trees, like for example. Let's help our mother nature recover fastly. And then we have this in or identify. Let's have an idea or to identify the feelings of the speaker, and then makita pa natin sila sa diary entry. So in the entry pa lang sa diary is makita natin ang feelings sa usa ka writer. And then sa poem, especially sa poem, makita ginato na kaning gasulatan or ang writer sa poem is gipakita gyud niya ang mga feelings or emotions in the poem. And then, sa personal conversation. So, when we say personal conversation, like for example, two individuals talking about for their personal feelings, like for example, one friend or another friend was talking about their personal feelings for kay nasa nasakitan or nasa nalainan sa usahan ko niya ka amiga, niya ihagi open up ang iyang feelings para makabalo sila kung makonvene na dapat dili na ito ang iyang kita. Now, let's talk about matching communication strategies to purpose, and let's hear this to Mr. Segovia.
Good morning, everyone. My topic is about matching communication strategies to purpose. So, once purpose is identified, selecting the right strategy ensures my message is received as intended. So, kung kabalo na ka dire, kung kabalo ka nga kung sa imong ganahan ma-achieve sa imong communication, dapat mo-choose sa kaupuan. Method or strategy. Kaya ang strategy or method, mo na siya makatabang nga ay imong audience makasabot siya sa imong message. The group map strategies to each word. Today, ang strategy is 1. To inform and to persuade. First is to inform. Use clear, objective language and logical structure. So, dire, kung ang imong purpose is to inform, dapat ang imong gamit nga language is understandable siya. Dili kay kanang mga conflict word dili mo gamiton, dili ka mo gamiton na para ang imong audience dali niya masabtan imong message. Address counter arguments to build trust. So three is, for example, nag-talk mo ko sa issue, dapat mo talk about sides imo ang ipakita sa audience kay para ang audience makaingon sila nga imo yung gisubay og tarong ang issue before kani panig sa usa ka side. Then use persuasive techniques. So today kung ganahan ka nga maka-persuade, so pwede kang magamit ng methods like ask questions para ang mga audience nimo maka-think po sila, makaunaw sila sa kagalingon, makaunaw sila answer, maka-generate sila answers, or repeating key points para po ang imong argument is more convincing. And more po na and that's all my report. Thank you.
Once again, good morning. This is my report. For entertaining, use creative language, humor, or narrative structure. Sa word ko lang, entertaining, dapat kabalo ka entertain sa inyong audience, gamit lang ka o creative language, humor, and narrative structure. Incorporate visual or auditory elements. Focus on engagement and pacing. For expressing, use personal tone in specific details. Magamit ka mga personal details nimo about sa imong visual. Allow for vulnerability or authenticity. Choose mediums that feel natural. Handwritten letter or versus email. Kung gamit ka or mapilit ka handwritten letter or email. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. Let's tackle about analysis of context, audience, and music style. These three elements shape how purpose and strategy are implemented. So, context. The situation in which implication occurs, time, place, cultural setting, and occasion. So, in context, dili din mawala ang time, place, cultural setting, and occasion. For example, a formal business meeting requires structured professional language when informing the team about quarterly results. So, audience, this is the person who received the message. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My report is message type. The format of the communication, written, verbal, visual, or digital. For example, expressing it my better tongue to verbal conversation, message type, then a text message based on context and audience. Ako na sa communication, mga kalahayan nila mga ba kay sa kaling rate ay imong isulat ang mga pag-communicate nila niya sa verbal is mo inisulti. Sa visual man is kanang silbi face to face ba niya ang nakalahir lang sa digital is advance gid siya. Kay manalita yung pamilya sa layo niya naka-cellphone. Okay na lang messenger magamigit na kanila sa bisan nasa layo.
Yes.
And that's all.
Analysis of context, audience, and message. These three elements shape how purpose and strategy are implemented. Context: the situation in which communication occurs, time, place, cultural settings, and occasion. So that's context. For example, a formal business meeting. Context requires structured, professional language when forming the theme about quarterly results. So, mga yung example. For example, ano siya? Formal business meeting. Context requires structured, professional language when forming the theme about quarterly results. That is context. So, audience, when yung audience, the people receiving the message, demographics, knowledge level, values, and expectations. For example, persuading a group of students about recycling requires different examples than persuading senior citizens. So it means when you persuade the students are magsayn na kayo, dili pre sa mga senior citizens na dugay kasabot ba. When about sa recycling requires different examples. Kaya ang uban ng mga senior citizens dili kasabot. When the students, group of students na mga kuan pa na yung mga knowledge na mga paskulahan, dali sila makasabot, mas mayo ang kuan mo na siya ipasabot sa knowledge level of values. Ang values sa inyong citizen not dili sa tanan na makasabot ba. So more to siya guys.